Okay, the session is now being recorded. So I think, can you see now my screen? Okay. So now this is the breadboard. We'll try to connect here. This is the microcontroller, the Arduino. So this we have pins here. So our task here is to make this LED work. Okay. Then we need a power supply. Okay, just uh, type all and then power supply. Although I have already a recorded video, but I can uh, make this, for example, for the memory element, like for example. Okay, this is the power supply. So now what we're doing, what we are going to today is we will be having our, for example, this is the more, uh, because one of your tasks, aside from blinking an LED, is to make, for example, a traffic light. So what should we do? But in order for you to do the traffic light, we need to construct a basic electronic circuit. So we need an LED here. Okay, we have an LED here. Are you familiar with this? I think you are familiar with this. Let's say this is by the way, this is the cathode and the anode. Then you need to connect this. Then a resistor, for example, just type a resistor. And then we can right click so that you can move. Okay, so this one. So the cathode, then the resistor, then to the ground. Maybe we can change the color to black. Then this is for the, let's say, red. Now, so this is an example of a basic construction, but this time we will be using microcontroller. So therefore, I can now remove this. But we can have a 5 volt supply. Okay. Then a ground, that is the for the negative. Then I will discuss to you the codes because the next topic is the Arduino microcontroller. Now, as we know, we can use several pins. Now, how can we connect? Because later I will be discussing to you the typical codes of a microcontroller. Okay, so now as we discuss it, we will providing uh, an Arduino using Arduino to blink LED. Then later, I think we can also teach you the basic of interruption or as well as something like related to more on the continuous blinking, so on and so forth. But for now, we will be focusing on the blinking LED. That is very the basic. If you already know how to use this, you can perform uh, more advanced. Okay, so but we will be focusing on the blinking uh, LED. So, but later we will have a discussion. But I just start discussing the the Arduino microcontroller. So now, okay. So now, later I will be providing a code for a microcontroller uh, in a blinking LED. Okay? So okay, maybe I can give an example of a connection here. For example, I will be connecting to the pin 13. Okay, the pin 13, let's say this is red. Okay, then this is connecting to the anode. Okay, so that is the basic construction. Then we will be using a power supply to make a supply here. This is the positive and this is the negative. Again, this is the basic. Okay, so now, what is the next thing that we should do? We need to discuss the code. I will be discussing to you the code. It's very important. Since this is a microprocessor, you need to understand. Okay, so this is the C++ code that we are using. The void setup, we already know that is uh, this is used to initialize. Okay, so now we have a command here. Let's say pin mode. That's correct. LED, but we can change it. Maybe we can uh, change from the stop. Okay, for example, I can write void setup. Okay, open and close. Then a brace. Then we can write pin mode. Make sure the it is a case sensitive. It may produce error if not write if you did not write it correctly uh correct. Now since we are dealing with LED as output because LED is used for display. So output. So we will setting this as an output. Now by the way, you can write a comment if you want to put a description of what is the purpose of that line. But it is optional. You can write it or not as output. Okay, so then we will proceed to this one. Now, the second one is void loop. Okay, because since we want continuous blinking. Okay, so we need uh okay, a void loop. So digital write is the command. Digital write. Then LED pin high. Okay, so the purpose of it is turn LED on. So that is the purpose. Now, we have delay. Again, 1,000 microsecond is 1 second. So if you want a delay of 1 second, you can write 1,000. So meaning to say this is wait 1 second. Okay. So 5 seconds is 5,000. Now, digital write again for LED pin that is low. That is to turn LED off. Then another delays because we want a blinking. So another wait for 1 second. Now, since we already have opening, uh, okay, so we need to close. So this is an example. Okay, now we can now run. Okay, let's check. There is an error here. Maybe we can, okay. I forgot to write the we need to declare the constant int LED pin. We use 13 because we connect it to the 13. Okay? So I think that's what I forgot. So let's start. So now, as you notice, the LED is now blinking. Now, what I am going to do if I want another pin to be connected. So I will just get another resistor, then an LED. Okay, so I can make sure, I think you're familiar with the breadboard. These are interconnected. So, meaning to say, if you put one end in this area, this will be connected to the another. Okay, so now as we continue, we can put number, let's say pin 12. Okay, I will just write here in the anode. The anode is the positive part. Then a resistor. Okay, if we want let's say a blinking, for example, we want here to be, okay, let's try. Okay, okay. Okay, I will be connecting here. Let's say, for example, here. Okay, I will just move. Okay, let's say here, the negative part. This is the cathode. I will just connect it to the negative. But pin 12 will be connected. Okay. Okay. Sige. Yes, what is the question? You may use your uh, microphone if there is a question. Okay, later I will answer the question. Maybe now, for the code, since I will be declaring pin 12. So maybe I will write here, C constant, CONST, in LED pin is equivalent to 12. Then, since we already have this one, I think we can now uh, declare, let's say let's say two pins. Now, how to connect, for example, LED. So let's say in this scenario, we are using two LED, but alternately blinking. So we will be using that phenomenon. So again, what is the purpose of constant int? That is defining the LED. We can, let's say, LED1, LED2. We can write LED, let's say LED1, then this LED2. Okay. So now, this is, I will write the description so that all of you may understand what is the purpose. So that is define LED pins. Okay. Then we have void setup, but this time we will be using LED1 because I declared LED1. So I will write LED1 output. I will label this as an output. So maybe we can set LED1. as output. Okay, and then another one, we have pin mode again. Then that is LED 2, then output. Okay, this is set for LED 2 as output. Now, here we will be, since our target here is to make it alternate, we can write here digital write LED 2 low to ensure LED starts up. That is the purpose of here, ensuring LED 2 starts up. Okay, now then will be both void loop. Okay, so digital write LED 1 in this is the LED 1 high, turn LED 1 on. Okay, that is the purpose. Okay, but you will also turning LED 2 off. Okay, so I'm writing in the comment section so that you can know the purpose. Okay, then the second thing is this is the, I think this is the delay 1000. Wait for 1 second. Okay, then digital write LED 2. Okay, LED 2. Okay, so let me check. Since this is high, then this is the first one. We have LED 1 high, then delay 1000, digital write LED 1 as well as low. Okay, so LED 1 off, LED 2 on. Okay, let me. Okay, so that is the first statement. Okay, and then for to make things, since LED 1 is in high-low status, we should write another digital write LED 2 high. Okay, then delay 1000, digital write LED 2 low. Okay, so that, I think that is the basic program. Okay, so I think that is the basic program for this. We may start the simulation here. Let's check. So as you can see, the LEDs are now alternatively blinking. So now what is your next activity here? I will be showing to you your next activity. But for today, this is what the blinking LED. Okay? So let me stop this recording and allow me